Definitely the right side, corner of the rim and going through, yeah.
But what you want to do is through this thing, and he's coming around the board sideways through this whole thing.
And he would just be right here, right? Like this?
Yep. Yeah, or we could do it from a tracking vehicle movement.
Well, he has to jump right in. He's going to have to jump right on. It might be more compact with the Libra head.
We are 100% locked up.
Thanks. All right, let's do it.
Okay, guys, move the cars up further away from us. So, in terms of starting past the truck,
we're gonna ease him over. We're gonna put Ben into the smooth zone.
Tell it's me, because maybe it'd be better to do a faster run with you. Our side, it's me, whip over, down to the feet, and then we tilt up and it's me.
Have it land back onto us, and then basically cut to the shot that we're going to next anyway, which is you facing down towards the hotel, pushing up the board.
That's good.
Get the board up.
Nice. Yeah, let's stick it out. All right. I did.
Hand me that toy, man. This is a place of business, not a place for Jelly Man toys.
This was a vintage gift.
I like the idea of like him pulling him back towards him.
Are you getting unraveled? Like,
Yeah, I was getting unraveled.
Yeah.
Kick him, boom, boom. I'm just trying to do my job.
Okay, I see.
Just want to do my job!
Right.
It's 1:30. We got a half hour. Let's do this before lunch.
Okay, lock it up for rehearsal.
Should I try jumping out here? See what he
Just jump in there, just feel it, just do it slightly, just like this. Don't anticipate it.
All right.
Okay?
All right, should we just go for one?
Yes, I think we should. Let's go for it. All right, so guys, do replace the wall as quickly as possible. In the meantime, let's have the handheld camera up top.
Action! Stop fiddling with sweets and little men! I'm trying to do my job!
Nice.
And then this next piece here, what's important is that we get all the street activity practically and like.
So he's going down, and there's going to be the traffic coming out, cross traffic.
Yes.
And you're into the.
It's a hard shot. There's no doubt about it. It's a hard shot.
Everyone at once. Lock it up, please. Watch your backs. Truck back it up.
Bang.
We don't mind you watching, but we can't do anything with you standing here. So can everyone please turn around and back up down the sidewalk safely and get out of the street? Rehearsal's up next.
I'll do 3, 2, 1,
Not 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, go.
And I go on go, not
Yep, first string.
Go!
I need a little more slack.
Little slack on Ben, guys.
Is anyone not ready? Pictures up. And rolling, rolling. That's the cut. Thank you.
Good to go? Okay, here we go.